Hi, welcome to Denbighshire County Council. My name's Gary Williams and I'm the Head of Legal, HR and Democratic Services. By the time you're watching this video, you will have been offered and have accepted a job with the Council, so congratulations and I look forward to meeting you. This service is made up of a number of different units. There's legal services, which provides legal advice and support to both members and officers of the Council. Democratic services, which consists of electoral services, and that's the section that deals with electoral registration and administers the various elections that we're responsible for. The rest of the Democratic Services team provides support to the committees, the Council and the Cabinet to make sure that all of our decision-making processes are run properly. Our HR team provides advice and support to managers and to members of staff, liaises with the trade unions, and provides an occupational health service to assist members of staff who are having difficulties with their health. We have a business support unit which provides administrative support to the department, but also provides support to the coroner, who is based at Denbighshire County Council but serves Flintshire, Conway and Wrexham. And we also provide a registration of births, deaths and marriages service to the county, which includes citizenship and passport checking services. Got a number of exciting things going on over the next few years. The registration of birth, death and marriage service is being amalgamated into one unit for the whole area, and they'll be moving to refurbished premises at Rill Town Hall by the end of this year, beginning of next. We'll also be working hard to assist the council to deliver its corporate plan and the various priorities that members decide they want to take forward over the next 5 years. All in all, it's an exciting time ahead and we really look forward to welcoming you as part of the team. Bye for now.